The amethyst crystal. This is a violet color. The color is divinity. This is a transformation of our karma, the highest in everything. Transformation is for what? It is a dissolution of our karma, the highest in everything. Supposing we put in amethyst on each energy center of the Reiki treatment, the violet stream flows through our energy system and pervaded with light rise up with Reiki into the vibration of the great cosmic color stream. The human eyes can see that stimulate the highest quality within us on all levels. It is a transformational power that releases and frees from our whatever the obstacles our problem is removing. Particularly the Reiki treatment, the amethyst crystal is useful to and activate the violet flame in our life stream, which burns karmic energy, transforming it into divine grace. It's a very good purification of good crystal. The color of the violet is showing for the divine. Amethyst is always in the individual energy center. We are using some wonderful treatment, increasingly directly towards our higher task and no longer towards the increase of material gain and earthly pleasures. The stone, it is a spiritual stone. It is a spiritual and mental communication using for this stone our mental and spirituality level will increase. The amethyst release us from ego and bad habit and whatever the quality of going for a world way. The highest intuition and spiritual will remove the bad habits. It come down. If you are using this crystal, this energy come down our body to ground level. The power of the amethyst, always the energy stream, highest level of the super soul. With the amethyst stone, we are using the chakras activated time. Each center, different way it is useful. If you are useful this amethyst in a crown chakra, it is connected to God. Same way the amethyst is used to the third eye, you will get a telepathy of the before only the matter. If the amethyst is using for the throat chakra, our communication skill will increasing. Same time this amethyst will use for the heart chakra, love and compassion. The solar with amethyst crystal charging, activating, getting for wisdom. The amethyst is using for the hara chakra, getting for a peace. The amethyst crystal with doing the treatment of the balance chakra of the root chakra, getting full body is vibrated for a very good of the energy is raising, balance is getting. So the amethyst stone is a wonderful stone. The violet color is showing for a divinity. The amethyst always, amethyst pyramid also very good for our energy is increasing. It is a very special activated within us the development of highest spirituality, and it's manifest. It is very, very, very for our bodies. Using for each chakras or keeping the stone in your house, big pyramid for an amethyst pyramid. The house Vastu dosha is removing because the power of transformation in our earthly, it will come for the result is a spiritual direction. So amethyst pyramid also, it is very good for the surface towards the wherever. If you are using the heat, the violet light flows upwards in a very concentrated for the further development of our spiritual wisdom and talent. It is transformation of our karmic burdens and spiritual mental power that are abused, falsely directed, or have not yet been put it use. So the amethyst crystal we have to use for a purpose of our body cleansing, of the aura cleansing, physically healing, mentally healing, the mind control will get, and our spirituality, our divinity, blessing is getting, 7 chakra is activating, and the 7 chakras boosting. So all the burden is removing the amethyst crystal. Thanks to the crystal and the topic of the Reiki or Kundalini Shakti.